Good day guys, so I'm at the Manila Auto Salon and this car just melted my heart away. It's a 1983 Toyota Land Cruiser PJ40. I'm not sure the designation, model code designation, but what makes this rare is the extra long wheelbase. So to know that extra wheelbase is there's a window panel or quarter panel, extra window quarter panel, which makes the cargo room a little bit spacious, no? So I bet this is one of the rarest Land Cruisers in the Philippines. So I'm not entirely sure because I cannot attest to that knowledge or my own knowledge. But this one's been maintained and restored into pristine condition that could totally melt your heart away. So imagine having this kind of setup. Sus Ginoo. And inside, man, don't mind the sound of that V6 from the FJ Cruiser. This one totally blows. The mags, I know, but I don't think they are Deans or parang OE na talaga ata. This is the original equipment manufacturer OEM mags straight from the factory, because somehow it's been restored and period specific, except for of course this one, yung hijack. I don't think this is period specific, but yeah, it still blends in with that design. The sun visor na ano, this one's been glued lang with a 3M tape. So I don't think this is original equipment from Japan itself. Pero still, no, it's your car, it's your rules, and if it adds to the touch of comfort and aesthetic, then why not, right? It's still, this car blows everyone's mind, especially if you see one on EDSA traffic. How much more if you see one straight from the trails? My heart just melted, no? Parang gusto kong i-drive. I want to feel every bumps, the vibrations. It's not a perfect car for every day, but man, just imagine, this itself is becoming an art, and it's a conversation starter nonetheless. Whew. I don't know. Okay.